Hello YouTube newsletter and survival group subscribers. This is Terrell from Terrell03.com, and today is October 9th, 2018. This is the Black Star. This is not a Black Star update report. I wanted to go back to some of these articles and give you a little more information, make a video. The hunt for Planet X turns up, a new object in the solar system. These are all related to the Planet 9 stories, which in my view, they're all propaganda. And I mean, you can in-depth hypothetical Planet X, Planet 9, Wikipedia, just Google Planet X. NASA officially cautious about Planet 9, Planet 9, all this evidence is mounting for Planet 9. All this is fake. All this is fake propaganda to make you believe NASA's on the wall looking out in the solar system for a nemesis, for an intruder, an interloper, when the black star is already in the inner solar system. The evidence that we have, if you go back to Ryan's questions, this will make a whole lot more sense. But we have a lot of data that says the black star is already in the inner solar system. This dust plume popping up on the 12th, right down here, southern hemisphere, talked about that yesterday. Started on March the 12th, 2012. Here's my video on that, showing the bow shock facing the nighttime side of the sky on 3/12, same exact day. The phenomena are definitely related. They are definitely related. This is moving around because this is from my video where I'm doing the explanation there. But the key to understand this is whatever caused this to happen, which is not supposed to happen, 1 astronomical unit from the sun, whatever caused this has to be close. This is not from a object that is on the edge of the solar system. This is something that's already close to us. To be creating mystery events. And this was from 2012. This article was written in 2015, 3 years later. And it's still defying explanation. These are the people that I wrote here just recently saying we know what caused it, magnetic portal connection convergence. But again, for the strange mystery to be solved, you have to realize the cause is nearby, not something that's out on the outside of the solar system. And this data right here was scrubbed from the servers. We had to gather the data. Then we predicted the event April 23rd, 2016. 2 hours of data came through. We weren't able to reconstruct everything to be able to show you these images because it happened again. The object has to be close in order to do that. We have all these events. This investigation started back here. We predicted Fukushima quake within 4 days. We were passing between the two stars. So we had an idea that it was already moving in prograde fashion, how far left in the orbit diagram it was moving on the 188-day cycle. It must be near the ecliptic plane for the alignments to create the gravitational forces that are required. If the black star is above or below the sun in the solar system, you can't get the alignments. It has to be near the ecliptic plane. Then, climate change. These are all blasting. Couldn't believe how many stories these are popping out. These are blasting through the news media right now. Climate change. The changes that are taking place in our planet. The changes that I report on every single week. They're already happening. They've been happening. The melting of the northern ice sheets, that's because of electromagnetic energy induced by the black star. It's taking it from the sun. The reason that the sun is going to sleep is not because of a grand minimum, Maunder minimum, or any of that stuff. It's because the energy is being siphoned through a star-to-star magnetic portal connection. And then that energy is being given to the planets by the black star based on how close they are, by near proximity. So then you get stories like this. Jupiter, the biggest planet solar system, is melting. And this goes back to 2012, but this is the 2016 story. Because Jupiter is being influenced by the black star. And if you're following the research, then you know Jupiter and the black star are in very close proximity, so it's reaching the peak of its uptick period. And we can go planet by planet. to see where this is taking place. Not caused by men. Men are not running engines, motors on Jupiter, raising the CO2 levels. They're trying to make that connection to make you responsible for global warming, or then they want to make it the elite that are modifying the weather. They'll give you any reason whatsoever. Anything they can think of besides we have an intruder already in the inner solar system. So the world's being duped. Like the lettered agencies duped us during 9/11, NASA, Jet Propulsion Laboratory, USGS, all these guys are duping us. So this is the propaganda that they're putting out there to desensitize the public about any Planet 9, any rogue object, any of that. They're going to bombard you with it. Then you have people like myself making these reports. You're getting all this information, and then people become desensitized about anything that's coming from space. But this explains the phenomena that are happening all around us. All the changes that are taking place all around us at the same time. Even the changes are picking up. The storms, and they're picking up. More and more people killed by lightning. Everything is picking up gradually, but people are becoming more desensitized to it. So, a little short video. Get more information right here. I want to, right now I'm in a truther phase, where the truth is what matters, more than anything else. Standing for the truth, telling the truth. A black star definitely coming, and we are wise to wake up and prepare for what's coming from space. Get more information right here at the website. Thank you guys very, very much for your support, and I'll do my best to go through the newsletters and select different topics. If you have topics that you would like for me to cover, you're a subscriber, please send me an email. Send the question, and we'll put that together, and it's all about helping people wake up to the need to prepare for what's coming from space. Thanks again. I'll see you on the, if I don't see you between now and Thursday, I'll see you on the next Black Star Update report, but I'm doing my best to get at least one of these videos made every day moving forward. Just doing my best. Thanks again. I'll see you on the next report.